What's up, investors? It's the Russian dude. Let's immediately start with a fun fact from the stock market. Did you know that America pays approximately $2 million every single minute just in these interest payments for its own national debt? Once again confirming the absolutely catastrophic situation which is happening right now. Our next slide shows us the performance of different sectors of the US economy in 1 weekend since the beginning of this year, and in the weekly charts it shows that the most well-performed industry sector is the utilities, the one which is least performing, underperforming is the energy, and year-to-date performance, the best one is from communication services and the worst one is from the real estate. Speaking about cryptocurrencies, last day there was another massive inflow into Bitcoin ETFs worth of approximately $217 million. This is big. And speaking about fear and greed index right here, you can see on your screen, on the stock market right now, it is still fear with 41 out of 100. Crypto market is more or less greed, 68 out of 100. One quick word about individual companies, particularly Tesla in our case. Elon Musk wants to fire 500 more people from its company, from Tesla, and all of these people will be fired from Supercharger division, which basically means Elon Musk saying that we are not completely abandoning Supercharger network, but at least for now we need to slow down so we can prioritize our work on more promising parts of the company. And then one more word about another individual company, which is not particularly American, but the company you all know about, TikTok. So long story short, whenever America passed a law for the support of Ukraine and Israel worth of several billions dollars, one of the things about this law was to ban TikTok on its territory. Finally, after so many years of threatening to do it, they are officially now doing it. And well, TikTok, they did sue America. They literally went to the American court saying that this is incorrect. This is unconstitutional for you just to prohibit our work on your territory of your country. We're not doing anything wrong. So basically, yes, the headline is correct. TikTok is suing America. And well, another major headline is that Warren Buffett did select his successor on the role of the leader of the Berkshire Hathaway. You know that the friendship of Warren Buffett and Charlie Munger, it was lifelong friendship, but unfortunately after Charlie Munger passed away, Warren Buffett was like, okay, so eventually I will need to find somebody who's gonna continue my work. And long story short, the successor of Warren Buffett, it was carefully selected by Warren Buffett himself. This guy is Greg Abel. Speaking more about Warren Buffett and his company Berkshire Hathaway, right here is a pretty interesting slide, which pretty much confirms why people call him the Oracle of Omaha. Basically, as you can see right here, Berkshire Hathaway was always stockpiling cash right before some major corrections or stock market recessions began. It's 2001, 2008, 2020 in some way, and then whenever prices were dropping significantly, this is when Berkshire Hathaway was picking up shares, stocks at extremely low prices. I mean, they wouldn't make hundreds of billions of dollars out of nowhere not having this mindset, right? And well, apparently right now the cash position of Berkshire Hathaway is at the record levels. $189 billion to be specific, which kinda allows us once again to assume that maybe they know something is coming. We did talk previous videos many times about the catastrophic situation of the US national debt. We talk about technological sector being severely oversold. We also been talking about the interest rates not potentially being reduced in this year or maybe reduced only once or twice, which is under the target which was at the beginning of this year. So maybe these are some of the things that Berkshire Hathaway is preparing for. And if you remember from my previous episode, one of the biggest moves by Warren Buffett's company was selling 13% of its stake in Apple. This was literally hundreds of millions of shares. The official explanation is because they had to pay taxes, but in reality people think that Warren Buffett might not see that much growth potential in Apple anymore, because let's be honest, there is not that much innovation from between every new phone. The design changes are minimal and the only thing they do is to improve the processor and improve camera. And then the most recent development, the Apple Vision, it pretty much, in my own opinion, failed completely. I even think, if I'm not mistaken, they decided to postpone the development of Apple Vision at all whatsoever. And so to sum it all up, Berkshire Hathaway collecting this stockpile of cash maybe could be another reason that there might be some very good opportunities on the stock market in the near future. But guys, as always, do not base your decisions solely on this video. Always make sure to make your own research and never base your future decisions based on previous past results. Thanks so much for watching. If you did like this style of when I'm just rapid firing the news on you, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. I'm making these episodes daily. Thanks so much for watching. See you tomorrow.